I'm a biomedical engineering undergraduate student here at Wright State University, and I'll be graduating at the end of April and continuing on with my graduate degree as a 4+1 student in industrial and human factors engineering. It's really neat that Wright State offers online classes for full-time students because you can be a distance student and still have a job full-time and be progressing towards finishing your degree while not having to compromise on your work hours. I think the project I'm most proud of is probably the senior design project. There's been a lot of challenges along the way, but I think the biggest thing for me is finding my strengths and emerging as a leader, strengthening my communications, and working together with a team to develop a project from start to finish. I think one of the biggest resources here at Wright State has been the professor support as well as the Career Center, which actually set me up with the connections now and have led me into my full-time job that I'll start after graduation.